Have you ever tried to store your data with defined order, for example, images? And you call all of these images from 1.png to 10.png. After that, you remove third image, and now you create gap between second image and fourth image. To clear that gap, you need to rename all of next files. To make it faster, I want to show you how to use Python for this purpose. So let's get started. As you can see, I have a folder in which I have some files with gaps. I have file number 4 files. So let's start by creating Python file. The first step is to get access to all names of these files. So let's write this. But firstly, let's import modules. One is operating system, one is regular expression. Call this. So as you can see, we have here iteration from all roots, the files. Our path is files because we get access from my UI, this folder, all files we get access. This regular expression define value of our files, defined by file space. Here we have number, 0, 1, 2, and more digits, 0 to first. If I add only 2, only takes digits files, so I need to add all of numbers. Here we have searching, this for one name, searching for if it's none, it gets all of the names of our files. Now we need to storage all of this name array. Also, I need to get only these values from file name. Write this. So as you can see down, doesn't work. As you can see, we have all of our files array. So firstly, we add the name of our file name. Next, our file name. Access expression. For reason we searching file name, get on value of number file name, and next we append our number to nums. We need to return an array, not num. Take a look. Now we need to all of gaps. For first, get what all of this first by 1 decrease 1, 3, 4, 5 plus 4. Have some gaps, not one. Create array data because we have gaps. So let's check. We have our gaps. So this is, we have text our values wrong. 0, 3, and this is the wrong number, or with this one 4, 5, and this is wrong number. X if our earlier number, first case, is 1. If it's greater, it equals the current, so it equals. This if statement doesn't go. This is for the first element, because we can't have access to -1 element over array, because it will be Python 7 doesn't work. Because the first one, the start one, don't need to check correct, because always correct. Now we need to create correct order of this first. Write this down. So here we have our code. As you can see, it works proper. So here I copy the file name array, old file name, get access earlier. Get started not by 5 but 3, our pattern +1 4. Here I take a start index of our current method, then use our expression. So I take index of file. Next I'm here the 5 number taken from length word. I'm taking file name part where this cut off. So this part I have number of my file .t, and index is index where start dot extension, taking for case for n from all file name, taking start index +5 plus text length dot t. So I'm taking file 11 part, cut off, next from n. So I'm checking when earlier row, because I don't change first number, because from that I need to have current number plus your number plus +1. If it's this statement works, that number, current number, I don't know, but isn't correct for all of this part of text. So 3 numbers from their earlier increasing 1. I add here, I take earlier number 3 in this case. Next counter adding 1. Here I will have 4 3 plus counter increasing by 1, so +2 be 5. For case, I'm open to cut the first item array, so I'm the first loop of my for and if statement, removing the and next I'm 5 times this our have correct print file text names. Now we need to save all of these files with this correct form. So let's write this. So let's check. Swap only these files because we don't need to name first file, second file, third file because it's the same name earlier. So we need fourth file, we need 5 file. You can see 5 file 5.4 577. So now we need I write the old name, get access old file name and file name. I'm joining half of old file name, also the path of, and here I will just swap old file to new file. Works correctly. Let's run this, check it all correct. I hope now you won't have any gaps in your file names and your files will be well ordered. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one on Thursday.